Sweet Science Sports.
It's the sweet one.
Hello, welcome to this edition of Cooking with BG and K Bella. I'm K Bella.
I'm BG.
And we're going to be cooking bison burgers with a spring arugula salad and fried zucchini fries. Alright, so it's the Shabbat and BG, he usually cooks. So he has to cook dinner tonight. We're going to be having some yummy bison burgers. And I am going to let him start his prep and be on the way. Shorgity boogity.
What's up, folks? This is BG. It's almost a Shabbat. You know, it's my time to cook and everything. And what I'm cooking today is some ground bison and some zucchini, fried zucchini strips. We're gonna have a salad, and also I'm just gonna, talk to you, just listen things off my chest and everything. But I got 4 different color peppers: the red, the orange, the green, and the yellow. You know what I'm saying? I got some baby Bella mushrooms. That's what I should call K Bella, my baby Bella. Onions. And I got a squash and zucchini. I may fry the squash, I'm not sure yet, but y'all should try to fry zucchini strips and everything. But anyway, I want to talk about the video I did, my last confessional and everything. There's some people out there that think that video was to get some type of sympathy or some type of financial support, which is not true. I never asked any of the people out there for any money. All we asked for was for the prayers. And everything. And I blocked one person that said it, 'cause I really didn't appreciate the person, making a joke out of our unfortunate situation and everything. So that just taught me there's some people out there that has no compassion or no understanding of what somebody is going through. Now, what this person said was trying to say that we were looking for a vacation and everything, you know what I'm saying, which is not true. As we explained, we was trying to live off the grid and everything, doing the van life. Well, not really off the grid, but doing the van life thing. You know what I'm saying? We try to cut really soft. It's a glass cutting board, and they make a loud noise when I cutting everything. But anyway, we was living the van life, doing something different, living against the grain and everything, you know what I'm saying, doing something different. A lot of people won't just up and jump and do what we did, and I'm glad we did it. It was short-lived, but we've seen a lot of things that we never would have seen if we never took the chance to do it and everything. So, to the person that said that we were just looking for vacation and I was crying because the vacation was going, go get a life.
Get your life.
Go get a life. I asked nothing but for prayers and everything. And that's it. And now we're doing all right. The Most High done blessed us and everything, So
We went from ashy to classy.
ashy to classy. End up being homeless without a vehicle, having a vehicle, and having a home now. And we didn't ask it from nobody. And the Most High blessed us with that.
We were actually going through a journey that he had to take. He was taking us to the next level of understanding and life and in our spiritual walk.
Yep.
And it grew our faith, and we had to endure and persevere through this storm, and we came out triumphantly. So all praises be to the Most High.
Yep. Yep. Now these peppers, I got these peppers from a store called 99 cent Only, and it's not everywhere. And they was 50 cents a piece. Now you can't get different color peppers like that cheap like that at the regular grocery store or whatnot, you know. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish cutting up these peppers, and then I'll be right back with you. All right, folks, I'm back. I got the peppers cut. I got the ground bison out of this package. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dump this in the bison. I'm gonna season it with garlic salt. I usually use fresh garlic, but we forgot to get some. And I was gonna put the onion in the bison, but I'm gonna use this French onion mix. Now the thing about this French onion mix is that my grandma used to put it in her burgers. And back then I didn't know what was in her burgers, but her burgers was distinctively tasty. You know what I'm saying? But as I got older, I finally found out what it was. I was trying to come up with all types of combinations to find that taste. But it's that French onion thing dip is really, really good with some burgers and everything, for real. All right. And also I'm these baby bellas, and you hear baby Bella with her schmorgity sporgity. Schmorgity morgity. But got these baby bellas, gonna put them on top of the bison burger with some extra sharp cheddar cheese. All right. Now, what is the Sabbath? Now, many people might not know what the Shabbat is. The Shabbat is the Sabbath, and no, it's not Sunday. All right, the Shabbat is Friday evening to Saturday evening and everything. I'm gonna put the Worcestershire sauce up on this thing too. And you know, there's nothing in the Bible that says that the Sabbath was changed to the first day of the week. Nothing at all. So that's that Sunday Sabbath is not the true Sabbath. All you gotta do is research and everything. All right. The Lord's Day is not Shabbat. All right. So what else we got here? Let me get this French onion dip and go ahead and throw this in here right quick, like grandma and everything. So, all right, there we go. Let's see. Do I need anything else, people? Maybe the Tony Checkers Creole season and everything. Okay. So people might say, why are you eating bison? And for those of y'all who don't know what bison is, that's buffalo. And the reason why we eat bison is because it is a clean food. All right. And the reason why we eat bison is because bison or buffalo has a hoof and it chews the cud. It's not like pork, pig, which has the hoof but does not chew the cud. You know what I'm saying? This is real food. Now, since we stopped eating pork and shrimp, all the unclean foods listed in the Bible, we picked up other eating habits, like we picked up eating bison, lamb, quail, and different things like that. Now, the thing about the bison is more like a steaky type of meat. You know what I'm saying? So it's like a steak burger, and it's really good. And to compare it with a lamb burger, I say the lamb burger would be equivalent to a turkey burger. You understand what I'm saying with the liking and stuff? All right. So go ahead and mix this on up. Make out these patties, and I'll be right back with you. Alright folks, now the Bison burgers, I got them in the balls, I threw them in the refrigerator so to keep them nice and fresh and everything. And what I'm finna work on now is the zucchini strips. Now, I used to work at a restaurant years ago called East Coast Wings and everything. And one of the specialties they had was the fried zucchini strip. I never had one until then. But when I bit into it finally, I enjoyed it. Now, I usually make some small ones, but I'm gonna make them. I'll make some bigger ones this time around. And so me and my wife can get the full effect of it. If you understand what I'm saying, so we get the full zucchini taste. And it has an amazing taste. I mean, it really does. And what we do, the best thing to do, I feel, to make the bread and stick better is to cut off some of this skin. I'm gonna do it on this one though. I'm gonna do one for you to show you how I do it, and then I'm gonna get the rest done and come back with you. All right. So. All right. Zucchini wedge. What I do first, I put it in this mixture right here. This is almond milk and water. All right. So I dump it in there as such, and I put it into my flour. Shake it on up like so. All right. Take it out. All right. But I'm not finished. I'm gonna dip it again. Throw it back in there. When you double dip it, give it more of a crust. We just using flour. Sometimes flour is hard to crust up. You know, I ain't no gourmet chef, nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's get it open. And there you have a fully breaded zucchini stick. All right. So what I'm gonna do with that, I'm gonna fry it, but I'm gonna use olive oil, and then I'm gonna combine it with. They get closer. Coconut oil. All right. So this is how we're doing the Shabbat. Fresh bison, fresh vegetables, fried zucchini, salad, and everything. All right, let me finish these zucchini sticks up, and I'll be right back with you. All right, I got the bison burger started, and I got the mushrooms cut. And what I decided to do is to cut up some onions and saute the mushrooms and the onions to put on our bison burgers. And once I put these zucchini sticks in, I'll be right back with you. I got the cheese, the onions, and the sauteed mushrooms on the burgers. Got the zucchini strips frying up in there. And when they're done, we're going to show you the completed meal. It looks delicious. And I'll be right back with you. All right, folks, here go the final product. Bison burgers with sauteed mushroom and onions with the different colored peppers on the inside of it. We got the zucchini sticks, and we got the mini mix salad going on here. So this is our Shabbat dinner. Hope everybody enjoyed. Y'all have a great and nice Shabbat. Baruch.
Shalom.